Hi, my name's Steve Wilkinson. I'm president of the Flexo Factor. Today I'd like to talk to you about our PlateCleen and PlateCleen ready-to-use products. Everyday operators come to me asking about what products to use, and all too often we find operators and customers alike generally migrate to very acidic or very alkaline products that, while they do clean, there's no doubt about that, they can actually be quite damaging to the product, and obviously, in so forth, the same for the operator and the environment. So we were pushed by customers to offer a better product, a safer product, a more environmentally safe product, and we came up with our PlateCleen and PlateCleen. Both products can be used for UV water-based inks, glycol inks. They can be used on pretty much any surface. They're water diluted, so they're already ready to use. They come in a spray nozzle, and they can be sprayed directly onto the product, as you can see here, or sprayed onto the surface of one of our razor sponges. Now the product is ready to use, as I say, so if you apply it to the surface of your Anlux or any surface that needs cleaning, you will see it's very, very effective, very simple to use, and immediately begins dissolving the ink. Why do we have two products? Well, while the formulas are very similar, they are actually different, and the PlateCleen was brought around because customers were saying, we want to be sure that the product is safe on the plate. Well, actually both of our products are, but the fact that customers have different suppliers of inks, whether it be water-based or UV or glycol inks, different chemistries react differently to a cleaner. So if you're not sure which will work best for you, then you can try a sample of both of our products, and if you try both of the products and find which works best for you, then that's fine, and once you've proven which works best for you, then you continue with it. One of our other sponges is our sandwich sponge. Has exactly the same effect. It holds the ink, retains the cleaning product, and allows you to apply it uniformly across the face of the Anlux roller. Now, it's important that you clean the Anlux across and around the circumference so that you get uniform cleaning. As you can see, both of the products bring the ink off very rapidly indeed. Now, once you've applied the products, you want to rinse it, whether it be the plate or the Anlux roller, with fresh water. This is just simply fresh water. And once you've done that, you now want to ensure that the roller is dry. You can actually use one of our fresh clean wipes to give it a further scrub. This is a textured moisturised wipe that can be used on any surface. It has its own cleaning additive, same chemistry as we have in our other products. It just happens to be in a cloth, a wipe. It's much safer to use and holds the product, and you can see it really does a good job at soaking up the ink and removing it from the face of the roll. Now, once you actually rinse the roll and you've removed all the solubilized ink, big thing that you need to do is to ensure that you dry the roller. So dry the roller completely, make sure there's no solution left on the surface that might run around the surface of the roll. Restaining of the roll with your solution is a major problem. The beading along the bottom of the roll is a big issue. So we want to make sure that we've dried the roller completely, removing all the moisture. Just a quick wipe is not enough. I mean, the Anlux roll is covered in grade cells, and obviously if it's doing its job correctly, it's going to hold the moisture in the cells. So if you think that it's dried and there's any moisture there, it will run around the roller, restain the roller, bead along the bottom, and cause restaining, which will transfer to your print. So bottom line is, if you want to maintain the condition of your Anlux, the performance of your Anlux, and you want to run consistently through the run with no poor lay down, you want to achieve good densities, then using one of our products, our daily products, they're ready to use products, or indeed any of our stronger products, if the case might arise for the need for them, please do so, and you'll find that your products will run much better for a longer time. Thank you.